We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not receiving text messages. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when your iPhone isn't receiving text messages. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. This is really annoying because you can end up missing important messages from people or codes or other messages as well. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing, make sure it's this full guide, and without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you want to do is go and drag down the battery in the top right to open the control center. You can try turning on airplane mode just for a couple seconds and then tap it again to go and turn it off. Hopefully it will then reconnect and it will then go and be solved. If it still isn't working, what you want to try doing is you want to go and open up your settings, scroll all the way down, find apps. Then you can go and scroll down and you want to go and find messages. This is alphabetical, so come down to M. Here it is, and go and tap on it. Then what you want to do in here is you want to go and scroll down and you can go and switch off screen unknown senders. It says hide notifications and move messages to the unknown senders list. So what you want to do is make sure that is switched off. If filter spam is currently switched on, you may want to go and check the spam list in case they've been put there. So to go and check this in the Messages app, you'll go and press the lines in the top right, and you'll then be able to go and switch to that list. But mine's currently switched off, which is why that doesn't apply. But if yours is switched on, you can check that list there, and hopefully you may go and find them there. Next, you want to come out of here like so, and go and scroll down again, and you want to go and find phone, and go and tap there. You want to go and scroll down in phone until you go and find the option, block contacts, and tap there. Make sure they haven't been blocked as a contact. You can go and swipe across on them and unblock them. Also, they could have been blocked as a number. So what you can do if they've been blocked as a number is go and swipe across on it. Of course, if you're finding this happening with a specific person, you should go and ask them for their number, maybe in person or through email or another way of communication, just to then go through this list and you can make sure you haven't gone and blocked it, because if it's blocked, that is why they're not being received. Now, if that still isn't working, the next I'm going to try doing is a forced restart. So press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. The screen goes and says slide to power off, but just keep the power button held down. Shortly, it's going to go off. It will go black and you only release the side button when you go and see the Apple icon. So at this point, you can go and release, and now it's going to go and start again. When it comes back on, you can then go and see if it's working. Hopefully it is. But if you're still finding that it isn't, what you can try doing is opening up the settings, scroll down and find general, scroll down again, and we can go and find transfer or reset iPhone, press reset, and we can go and press reset network settings. Enter in your passcode to confirm this. This will go and forget your Wi-Fi password saved as well, so you need to go and reconnect, but hopefully doing this will solve it.